Alright, just in case anybody wanted to know how to make the Lunchbox fire alarm security system, it's actually pretty simple, but you're going to need a few more materials than you might expect, or maybe less than you expect. Now my dog's up here because we have a guest over, and our guest does not want the dog to go near him. So, she's up here. Everyone say R.I.P. for Bella. Poor doggo. You stay. Sit. Stay. Yeah. Alright. So you're going to need a string or something. Place to put it. It needs to be sturdy. And on the other end, I'm going to open up the lunchbox. First, I need to disarm it. By taking off this red wire. You're going to want some like this. You have this. There will probably be a little plastic piece right there that you want to get out. That way the metal touches. And you want to put the wire around this. It's easier if you have another keychain to put those together. It stays much better. And you want to put the wire on this part of the keychain. Red wire. You want to have some connected to your string. I put a piece of a back of a notebook I didn't use anymore. That way it holds it, and when you pull on the string, it lifts the lunchbox. Enough about that. You're going to need a fire alarm. It's usually going to be the bottom two wires, or the wires closest to, well, I guess I don't really know, but there's there's a strobe light. You got a red and black wire for that. I took the strobe out. And you have the speaker. These are the two wires for the speaker. Basically, you put the red wire around this, and you put it up here. You close the lunchbox, it stays there, along with your string. Be careful, you don't want these two, you don't want the metal to touch both sides, or else spark, like that. And it can be shocking if you don't expect it. But when this opens the box, this comes back. When they touch, the wire touches it, and it goes off. Like so. And I guess that's about it. But you want a box has a lid. And you want it to be heavy enough, or I guess not heavy, but you want it to be able to hold this in place without it flinging back. Hello, doggy. Might be being the dead horse right now, but you want to be careful when you make this, because if it goes off, you're not expecting it, it can scare the shites out of you. And I guess that's about it for Lunchbox fire alarm. Oh, and you want his battery. Don't necessarily know what kind of battery it is, but smaller batteries will not work. Will not work with AA's, it will not work with D battery. You have a relatively large battery to power it. And that's about it.